I'm Jessica Adams with One Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to Coconut Grove's luxurious Bayshore Drive. We are here at my latest listing, Upper Penthouse A in Park Grove 2. So come and take a private tour with me. This home in the sky features 5 bedrooms, 6 full baths, and 2 half baths, with an incredible living space of 7,000 square feet. The features also include 12-foot ceilings, kitchens and closets designed by Italcraft. The most exquisite feature of this penthouse is its upper rooftop private terrace, with pool, spa, summer kitchen, and breathtaking views of Biscayne Bay.